Alcohol. Alcohol is an organic molecule with the general formula of ROH. Okay. Ano yung R na sinasabi dito? This represents series of carbon atoms. So, ito yung CH3, CH2, CH2. Okay, basta series of carbon atoms yan. Okay, and then the OH is the functional group. Ang tawag sa OH ay hydroxyl group. Okay, so ang general formula niya ay ROH. Basta may makikita kayong OH, it could be classified as alcohol. Okay, attached in, pag may makikita kayong ROH or OH na naka-attach sa series of carbon atom, it could be classified as alcohol. Okay, for the IUPAC, simplest is methanol. Meth means one carbon atom. Pero this time, all na ang ending niya kasi nga siya ay alcohol. So, CH3OH. Ito ang kanyang condensed structural formula. Expanded structural formula. So, makikita si OH o si oxygen, ang bond requirement niya ay 2. Itong oxygen na to naka-attach kay carbon atom, so that's 1. And the other bond is attached to the hydrogen. So, kung ang carbon atom ay 4 bond requirement, ang hydrogen ay 1 bond requirement. Pagdating kay oxygen, 2 bond requirement siya. Okay? Ang methanol is the simplest alcohol and it is also known as wood alcohol. Ang common name niya ay methyl alcohol. Hindi dapat ito ni-ingest ang methanol kasi hindi siya for consumption. Okay? Next would be ethanol. Ethanol is also known as grain alcohol or drinking alcohol. So, ito na yung component na alcohol na makikita sa mga beverages, sa mga alcoholic beverages. It will have 2 carbon atoms. So, ito, CH2H5OH or sa condensed niya ay CH3, CH2OH. Sa expanded, ito yung CH3, ito yung CH2, at ito yung hydroxyl na functional group. Pagdating sa line angle, ito yung CH3, sa intersection yung CH2. Okay? Kapag sa ending ng isang line structure ay merong nakasulat OH, wala nang carbon atom dito. Kasi ito na yung place ng buong hydroxyl. So, kung bibilangin nyo dito, ito lang si carbon 1, ito si carbon 2. Walang carbon atom dito kasi dito naka-attach si OH. So, yan yung si ethanol. Next would be isopropanol or ang common name niya ay isopropyl alcohol. Okay. Kung kanina si methanol, ang common name niya ay methyl alcohol. Ang ethanol naman ay ethyl alcohol. So, parehas lang yun. Pagdating kay isopropanol, ang kanyang common name ay isopropyl alcohol. Ang kanyang chemical formula or molecular formula ay CH3H7OH. Okay? So, ito naman kanyang condensed, CH3. Pagdating sa expanded, ito yung CH3. Ito yung CH. Ayan yung OH na sa gitna kasi naka-attach siya dito sa second carbon atom. And then we have CH3. Okay. Ito yung last. CH3. Pagdating sa line structure or line angle formula, this ending is the CH3. That CH is this one into which the hydroxyl has been attached. And then itong CH3 na to ay itong sa dulo. Okay, ulitin natin. Meron tayong 3 carbon atoms dito. 1, 2, and 3. Dito sa side na to walang carbon atom kasi nga merong nakasulat na OH. Ether. Ether is an organic molecule or organic compound characterized with ROR or an oxygen bonded to two alkyl or aryls. Yung Ri, ulitin natin, R is the series of carbon atoms, okay, that could be the same or different, bonded sila ng oxygen. So, para ma-visualize natin ito. Ito yung R group, series of carbon atom. So, may CH2, CH3 tayo dito. That's the R. Ayun yung oxygen. And this is another R. So, para siyang derivative ng alcohol, kanya lang si alcohol, okay, sorry. Si alcohol, kanina is ROH. Pagdating kay ether, the H part should be another R. Could be the same R here or different R. Ulitin natin, yung R is series of carbon atoms. Okay, so ang tawag natin dito ay diethyl ether. Okay, so diethyl. Dalawa kasing ethyl group ang naka-attach dito sa oxygen. And ether kasi nga, it follows ROR. Another example is this one. Ito yung O. Ang R niya ay CH3 lang. The other R is CH2, CH3. So, may kaiba yung bilang. Dito sa left ay isang carbon atom. Dito sa right side ng oxygen ay 2 carbon atoms. So, ang pangalan nito ay ethyl methyl ether. It still follows the general formula R, or series of carbon atom, attached to oxygen, and another R, which are series of carbon atom, which could be same or different with the first R. Thiol. Thiol has a general formula of RSH. Parang derivative siya ng alcohol. Kung malala natin, yung alcohol ay ROH. But instead of having oxygen here, we're going to have sulfur. So it will be under the group of thiol. The SH is known to be sulfhydryl group. Thiols is also known as or referred to as mercaptans or mercury capturing compounds. Mercaptans. Okay, an example of thiols. So ito, ethane thiol. We have 2 carbon atoms here. So ethane, and then we have the sulfhydryl. We also have one propane thiol. So we have 3 carbon atoms, carbon 1, 2, and 3. Naka-attach si sulfhydryl. We have butane thiol. Butane will have 4 carbon atoms with sulfhydryl.